Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the second video. If you haven't watched the first video, remember, watch the first video and then you'll be caught up. So, in the last video, we got the heal, we did some of this, and we opened up the files, and we have no idea what these mean, but that's okay. So, now, we need to create a new file, and since the main, well, we're going to be typing most of our code, or all of it for now. Eventually we'll go into the larger framework, but for now, you're going to type in whatever you put here, and it's got to have .js at the end. So main.js, and then do that. And then now you're in the main.js folder. So now, what you're going to need to do is make it so it requires Discord for anything to work. So do const Discord, and you can put it to capital, equals require, and then open parentheses, single quotations, and then discord.js, and don't have an at there. So, and then close it off with a semicolon, and then go down to the third line, and do const client equal new Discord dot client, and make sure to make that a capital, and then do the parentheses, and then a semicolon, and go down again, and well, basically this just makes a new bot to use. And now, you know how bots have like a prefix? Like, if I go in here, this one's prefix is this line. And if I do ping, I guess it's not on, but it'll do pong. Like that. Now if I go back up here, all prefix is, I'm just going to say plus, but you can do whatever you want. So, to do that, you do const prefix equals, and then single quotations, we're going to be using a lot of them, and then I'm just going to do slash, because why not, and then semicolon. Now, what we're going to do is make a thing that tells us that you're starting. Actually, no. You've got one more thing to do. So do client dot log in, and then open parentheses, and then this. Now we're going to open up Google and look and go to Discord developer portal here, and just go here, and then you log in, and I'm going to log in, and then these are my 3 bots. So you're going to go up here and do new application, and since we named it duckbot in the thing, let's name it duckbot again. So create the duckbot. So you're going to be here, and you can choose an icon, I really like this one, and you can say, hey, yay, and then you go down here, save changes, and then you can go down here, and then this is what's actually going to connect you to the thing. So add a bot, and then do yes, add this bot, and then this token. We're going to copy the token, and the token is going to be basically what'll let you log in to my bot. So you copy the token, you go to the duck bot, and then you paste the token in there. And I'm probably gonna have to change my token every single one because I don't want you guys to steal my token. That's not good. Don't do that. And you end it off with a semicolon. And now this is basically your bot is done. So you can go down to your command prompt and do node dot it'll probably come up with a message that you didn't read. It's disco.js. So you save it again, go in here, and then do node. Now and if it ends the line here and just does this, that means it won't. And you can do Control-C to stop it. So now, we're going to make it tell you, hey, I'm here. I'm online. And how we're going to do that is we're going to do client.once open parentheses, single quotations, ready, go out of your quotations, do whatever that comma sorry, yeah, and then put in parentheses, and then now we're going to put in an arrow function, and you probably have no idea what an arrow. Okay, what do you want? An arrow function, and then these, and then open these, and now whatever you put in here, when it starts, it'll be like, hey, I'm online, nice, and it'll just be online and stuff. So let's say, let's console.log. Let's say, hey, I'm online. And then you can close that with a semicolon, save. I think you put a semicolon here to save. Now if we go down to here, node, it'll say, hey, I'm online. And that's good. And you do that. So now, let's go down and do client dot on, open this up, and then do single quotations, message, and then message, comma, message, no, not Discord, and make sure it's not Discord message, just message, and then arrow function. And if you're new to JavaScript, you probably won't know what this is, but I don't really know what it is either, so it's all good. Semicolon here. Now, if you want something to happen on Discord, we can put it here. So let's say, in the next episode, we'll get into the complicated stuff that will make some things a little easier, but let's just start out simple. If message dot content equals 3 equals not 3. Why can't I get 3? 3 single equal marks, single quotations, and then let's say ping. So if it says, if you type in ping, then it will say message dot channel dot send, and then it'll send something here. So let's say pong, so ping pong, and then end it with a semicolon. Now save, and let's hope we don't got no errors. So no, hey, I'm online, and we actually haven't set it on to, well, looks like we're going to be putting it on. So now go to Disco Permissions Calculator, and then you can just click all of them or just administrator, and go back to here, general info, and then copy the client ID. Put the client ID in here, and then go to this. And now I'm going to put this into bot test, because yeah, authorize, and then say we're not a robot. Oh, I'm having a little trouble seeing these. Is it this one? Okay. Okay, there we go. Fire hydrants, parking meters. Okay, this try. There we go, authorize. Now let's go to bot. We're on bot test. Duck bots on, and then let's stick plus pin. Pong! Look at that. It's okay, so there we go. And this is the end of this episode. And have fun!